Gensel stays out to take the draw against Noah Ostlund. He wins it. Left point shot. Moser save made Ellis. Another big rebound comes to Hagel in the slot. Shoots. Save Ellis with the glove and he holds on.
That was a great save by Ellis.
Slings it to Gord at center ice. Deflects it across the blind. Pontus Holmberg. Oh, he had Gergensen's open. Instead it comes to Gord in front. Gergensen's a redirection. Save made by Ellis.
What a save again.
Got blocked by Jack Quinn, and the Sabres counter maybe a 3-on-2. Here's McLeod into the Lightning zone. Ryan McLeod left circle. Put it in front for a shot. Save made. The rebound is loose. It comes to Dahlin. Nikita Kucherov wheeling at the right point. Takes a shot. Save made. Rebound shot. Gensel save again. Ellis. He's come up with a couple of key stops in the first. Gensel left circle McDonough. Left point Kucherov. Fires. Save Ellis with the glove and he holds on. There's a broken stick on the ice. The Sabre has a chance to get a new stick. Power behind the net. Checked by Kucherov, but the puck is going to bounce to Dahlin. Lost to Gensel. Right circle. Kucherov. Score! The Sabres turned it over, and Gensel hurried into Kucherov, who snapped it home before Ellis could react. One of the Lightning with 9:36 left in the first.
Boy, that was a quick turnover, a quick pass, and Cooch didn't hesitate. And I got to tell you, this Ellis kid almost got this one. He came very close to getting it.
Big Tage Thompson. Across the blue line, lost the puck, got it again.
God.
Walks the right circle and shoots, fighting it off Vasilevsky. He is one of the best shots in the NHL, no doubt. McDonough for Gensel. He'll sweep it down the far side of the length of the ice. Jams it free Radish. He'll bang it up the middle. Gord forces it down the ice. Power has Gord on his tail. Gord steals it, cuts in front, shoots, save Ellis. He looks behind him, but he has it underneath him. Now the Sabres have struggled with some rolling pucks on their sticks in the defensive zone in this first period. Quinn holds. Center point Dahlin. Right circle Tage Thompson.
Whoa.
Made a Lightning player miss. He was heading and then he zipped it wide left. Hedman would have had a breakaway. He's stolen that puck. Lightning are down a stick. Right circle. Roseanne shoots. Save made by Vasilevsky. Rebound loose in front. Save made on McLeod by Vasilevsky. Finally it's grabbed by Gergensen. Needs a clear, and again the puck is almost stopped, but it did get out just barely. The first play of the Lightning
what
out
a
of this kill.
save.
5 seconds left in the power play. Byram
save.
busts up the middle. Kucherov looks for a team, and instead it deflects to Samuelson. Holds it in. Matisse Samuelson, open left circle. Samuelson shoots and scores.
How the hell did he score that?
Well, that one beat Vasilevsky, squeezing past him on the short side. We saw it during that penalty kill, Phil. The Lightning were not clearing the puck.
No, and right there they did it again.
Right there. Ellis has been at least one storyline in this first period.
Yes, he sure has.
Cernak for Douglas, center up the middle. Finley's in on a breakaway. Finley shoots. Save made. Rebound Sabrin. Chopped it wide right. Leaves it to right circle. Gord. Center point to Radish. Shoot. Save made. Rebound Gergensen. Shoot. Save made. Then off Holmberg's glove off the top of the net.
Amazing.
And Holmberg got knocked to the ice a second time.
I can't. This is really wild.
1-1 scoring the second. Vasilevsky. Shot it off Tuck. Tuck a steal behind the net. Wraparound try. Is it in? No, Vasilevsky made the save.
I mean, he dove to make that save. He gave the puck away first, and Doan just comes around, and Vasilevsky just dives, drops his goal stick, and dives with his left arm.
Sabres are getting in the way of some plays, and I think part of it is the Lightning are just, they're taking too long to make a decision with the puck.
That's absolutely right. You know how I am. You hesitate, you're lost.
And battling with Metza are James and Gonçalves. Metza got it loose, though, to Alex Tuck. Tuck hounded by James. James a steal left circle. Backhand shot. Save made by Ellis. What a play by James. McDonough, a great keep of a clearing attempt by Tuck. Here's Hagel for Kucherov. Nice pass here. Gensel. Gensel to center ice. He's 2-on-2 across the line. Gensel right circle. Cuts to the slot. Holds. Centers it. Off a skate. Almost in. It hit the Sabres skate, went wide right. Puck played by Hagel up the far boards, not out. Held in Owen Power left point. Right point, Samuelson wide open. Centers it, pitches wide left by Krebs. He missed an open net. Samuelson has gotten so open on a couple of these chances that he has generated. One he scored on, and that one he almost set up a tap in. Radish in the Lightning far corner, headman feed Kucherov. And they were seeing the sequence. The Sabres have a lot of possession. Thompson, a right circle shot. Almost beat Vasilevsky far post.
What a shot.
He makes the save. And Holmberg clears it down the ice. Boy, that was interference by Krebs on Gergensen's. He looks back, and there's no call. Icing is called as a result.
Yep, no call on that. I don't know whether Gergensen would have beat them.
Kucherov across the blue line. Left circle, Moser. Shoot, save made, rebound. Kucherov just deflected to wide right.
Lucky.
Rebound is loose. Hagel a backhand
Oh
shot,
my
save
God,
Ellis.
this kid.
Here is Gensel right point. Right corner, it is Hagel. Hagel wins it from Oslin, but then he is checked. And Byram
Whoa.
grabs the puck. A couple of big saves there for Ellis. In right circle, Hagel
Shooter
in the slot.
Canes.
Shoots! Save made! Rebound on the side of the net.
Oh
Gensel
my
fumbled
God.
it. Ellis gave up the rebound there, but Gensel couldn't settle it down for a rebound shot. McLeod the other way to center ice. Nice feed across the one. Samuelson to the slot. Shoots and scores! Another goal from Matthias Samuelson after the Lightning almost scored at one end. Samuelson has 2 tonight, and it's 2-1 Buffalo. Back for Radish, center point. Right circle, Kucherov. Shoot, save made by Ellis.
This guy, holy man.
Another save with no
Cooch
rebounds.
can't believe it too. He's frustrated. He's had about 6 or 7 shots on net tonight.
Yep. Left point, Bjorkstrand. Center point, Radish. Now it's Kucherov, top of the right circle. Center point, Radish. Shoot, save made. Score! Bjorkstrand on the rebound! Well, that time there was a rebound, and the Lightning got a clean second shot. Bjorkstrand rams it in. Power play goals in back-to-back games for Bjorkstrand. It's 2-2 with 11:07 left. 10 in the power play. Center point, Dahlin. Dahlin holds. Now Tage Thompson left circle. Thompson centers it, score! Tipped in front by Doan. He got position to the back post. The penalty had just ended, but the Lightning were in big, big trouble during that kill. I think this is going to be an even strength goal. And the Sabres go up 3-2. Doesn't shoot. Feeds Kucherov right circle. Fire, save made. Rebound, Gonsalves in the slot. Trying to kick it free, and it's underneath Ellis. He has the puck underneath him. He gets the whistle. 1:20 remaining. 3-2 Buffalo.
Boy, Ellis makes another good save on a good shot by Kucherov.
It is Bjorkstrand. Center point, Radish. Left circle, Hagel. Pass deflects to Radish. Right point shot to a screen. Tip wide left. 28 to go. Radish. Right circle, Kucherov. Center
Blast.
point, Radish. Score! Radish! Darren Radish! He's tied the game at 3 with 25 seconds left. An absolute bomb! Darren Radish goals in 5 straight games.
Man,
And
did
this
he
game is
blast
tied
this.
at 3.
He just drilled this stick side, and Ellis, there's no way he could move quick enough to get this.
Lightning need to get their tired guys off the ice. Thompson for Tuck at center back for Tage Thompson. Into the Lightning zone. Big moves left circle here. Trying to cut in front. And he lost the handle. The puck played by Gensel. In the Lightning inner corner, Thompson was slow to get up. Now he hustles back defensively. Here's James off the feed from Gensel. James across the line back for Gensel left circle. Put it in front. Shot just wide left by Radish, who had pinched. Now a counter, Tage Thompson on the right wing. Into the Lightning zone. Thompson is checked by James. Nicely done. Thompson with the end of a shift. Actually hit Tuck, who counters 3-on-2. Tuck down the left wing, cross the blue line, high slot. Tuck, shoot, save Vasilevsky. Rebound, Dahlin, tied up by Gensel. Where's the puck? Moser didn't see that Dahlin was going to grab it. Now Kucherov flings it down the ice. Gensel's got a breakaway. Gensel alone. Score!
Unbelievable,
Gensel!
unbelievable.
Jake Gensel wins it in
Unbelievable.
overtime. 4-3 Lightning. The Sabres lost track of Gensel. Dahlin almost made a steal from Moser. It was like the Lightning didn't know where the puck was. Moser just nudged it to Kucherov. And the Sabres lost track of Gensel. The long outlet tape to tape. Gensel had a breakaway from the neutral zone in. I think he went 5-0 on Ellis. The Lightning have a
Exactly.
come from behind win.